Colossus by name, Colossus by nature. This is the biggest strawberry I think I've ever grown. And in fact, my youngest daughter, Katie, she absolutely loves strawberries, but there's one simple reason that she likes this one in particular, and that is because she calls it the apple strawberry. Not because it tastes of apple, but because it's the size, in her mind, of a small apple. So you're going to get multiple bites off of each of these gorgeous large fruits. But actually, sometimes I think with bigger fruits, you think, well, actually they're bigger, but they're not that tasty. This one completely breaks the mold in that sense because it's big and it's juicy and it's sweet and it's delicious. So you've got every possible thing going. And in fact, when sliced, perhaps on a tart or a cheesecake, they look incredible and they go a long way as well. So the flavour's amazing. The uses, well, it's up to you really. You can eat them fresh, you can cook with them, you can make jam with them. Imagine a pot of jam with big, large fruits like this in them. It's astonishing. And it all starts with these super high quality chunky plugs. So these are going to grow brilliantly. You can plant them in the garden, you could plant them in pots, you could even plant these in a hanging basket. So if you have no garden, no allotment, it doesn't matter. You can still grow not just any strawberry, but strawberry sweet Colossus, even if you don't have a garden. So they're absolutely brilliant. They're lovely high quality, and it's a June bearer. And that means it bears fruit, or it produces the crop of fruit during the month of June. So when you think about Wimbledon strawberries, think about those very expensive strawberries you sometimes hear reported on the news and in the newspapers. Well, you don't have to pay those prices because you're going to produce big bumper crops with the fruits reaching, believe it or not, up to 40 grams each from this amazing variety. And strawberries are hardy, so they're outdoors all the way through the winter and autumn. No worries about frost, snow, rain, hail, sleet, doesn't matter. They're totally winter hardy, and they'll come back and fruit every single year for anywhere between 5 and 8 years. So if you're going to pick just one fruit to grow on your patio or in your garden this year, make it a strawberry because they are just delicious, and make it strawberry sweet Colossus because this is a giant among strawberries, and you really will get big, delicious, juicy crops, not just this year, but years and years into the future.